Yo, this isn't a morning workout, it's a banana hurricane. If you ever thought a shot was only about alcohol, well, let's just say you were not far off, but today we are hitting taste buds, not your liver. And yeah, banana, it's not just for office snacks, it's a legend, and I'll prove it. So, you had those nights where you wanna drink, but a full cocktail feels like too much. Exactly, we are on the same page. Today I'll show you how to make a boozy spoon shot. But not the kind you knock back and forget, we are doing it so your taste buds applaud. Banana burn. A banana blast that turns you into dessert. And yep, it's a spoon, and yep, we are building it in layers, like cake, like karma. What we need? Ripe banana, 1. Soft with black spots, don't worry, that's exactly what we want. A drop of lime juice, just enough to snap your taste buds to attention. Coconut liqueur, I use Malibu, but go with whatever puts a beach in your brain. Dark rum, the older it is, the deeper the flavor. A pinch of frozen grated ginger. Why frozen? I'll tell you. A pinch of Demerara sugar or plain brown sugar. And if you're brave, 1 drop of Angostura. It's like philosophy. Bitter but deep. You ready? Then let's begin. Step 1. Take base, banana. Take a teaspoon of ripe banana and gently place it in the shot glass. No modeling, just smooth. This is your base. This is softness. This is hug me. Now lime. 3 drops, that's it. It keeps the banana from being cloying, makes it bounce. Did you know acidity actually boosts the perception of sweetness? Now you do. Taste biochemistry, babe. Step 2. Coconut liqueur plus dark rum. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of each. Step 3. Ginger. Use a pinch of frozen grated ginger, of a drop of ginger extract. Why frozen? Because Kyoto scientists found that freezing boosts gingerol content by 2.3x. That's the compound that gives you heat, pleasure, and a little wow. Almost like getting a DM from someone you've been low-key crushing on. Step 4. Final. 1 drop of Angostura right on top. Don't mix it. Let it sit like the final note on a song. Sprinkle sugar on top, and if you've got a kitchen torch, caramelize it. It's like a blowtorch for flavor, just prettier. And just like that, it's ready. You're holding a shot that takes 5 minutes to make, takes like a flavor rave, and looks like food science fiction. But seriously now, when was the last time you drank for the idea, not the buzz? Or ate for the experience, not just because it was time? This right there, food, drink, science, and fire in one place. It's a sensory poem. If you're sitting there right now with a tiny taste bud crisis, welcome. You found your people. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next shot. I'm already working on one with passion fruit and whiskey. It'll be spicy, sweet, and just a little unhinged. But for now, take the shot. Don't settle for boring. And if anyone asks, you were not drinking, you were tasting. Until next time, may your flavors always come in layers. Bye!